Hello, my name is Brandon Devnich. I am the founder and primary developer of the Pegasaas Accelerator WordPress plugin for simplified web performance. Wow, there is a tongue twister. I'm having issues talking today. Hopefully I'll be able to get through this video. So I'm going to describe what went into version 2.4 that we released this week. What we were noticing with the plugin when there were over 1,000 pages with page speed scores, both accelerated and benchmarked, that the database, because we were no longer using the WordPress native WP options table to load the data, and it was not being auto-loaded. So we migrated back in February the data from being in the WP options table into our own proprietary tables. This allowed for faster seek time and update time. However, it also meant that the data wasn't auto-loading. And so what we found now, because it wasn't auto-loading any longer, that the interface was taking a long time to load, and there were duplicate fetches for data. So we're finding that on installations with over 1,000 pages with lots of page speed scans, that the interface could take over, depending upon the hosting environment, but it could take over a minute to try to load the Pegasaas Accelerator dashboard. Now, I'll be honest, that is completely unacceptable. We didn't realize that it had gotten quite that bad. Until somebody notified us of it, and we were able to duplicate it, and then we sat down and took a look at how we could optimize the database interaction. And so we did that with version 2.4, and we were able to get it cut down by 90% basically. So a page that was loading in over a minute, now down to 10 seconds. And when I say a page, I mean the WordPress dashboard Pegasaas interface. And you may have noticed also some slowdown in just navigating the different parts of your WordPress dashboard, and this is also improved with this version. Typically, if you have under 100 pages, you would not have noticed any slow response in the admin dashboard. This would just be for those installations that had many hundreds of pages, which is probably a small percentage of sites, but certainly we do want to make sure that the plugin does respond well. So that was the primary focus for 2.4. Hope that makes sense. Please let me know if you have any questions. If you have any feature ideas, we're always open to taking your input. And so yeah, anyways, thanks so much for joining me. Hope that's all helpful. All right, bye-bye.